There is a deep, quiet brilliance in a piece of furniture that understands the chaos of modern life. We live in an era of transition, moving from apartment to apartment, shifting from solo living to starting a family, or simply changing our minds about how a room should feel. Most sofas are heavy, stubborn anchors that demand you build your life around them. The Novilla 106-inch modular sectional, however, offers a different philosophy. It adapts to you. Epictetus often spoke about the importance of being flexible, of not being broken by the rigid structures of the world. This cloud couch embodies that spirit. It doesn't arrive as a single, immovable monolith. It arrives in parts, delivered in multiple packages, requiring a small exercise in patience as they find their way to your door. But once they arrive, the traditional burden of some assembly required simply vanishes. There are no bags of silver screws to lose, and no cryptic diagrams to decipher. You unpack it, and it begins to breathe. Like a living thing, this sofa needs a moment to find its form. It takes about 72 hours for the memory foam and structure to fully revive after being compressed. This waiting period is a reminder that good things, true comfort, cannot be rushed. When it finally settles, the result is a 106-inch expanse of invitation. The engineering beneath the surface is where the true value lies. It utilizes what are called Smart's coil springs. In a world that often leaves us feeling fatigued and worn down, these coils provide roughly 10% better pressure relief than standard foam blocks. They don't just sit there. They adapt to the weight and shape of whoever is resting on them. Whether it's a couple sharing a movie or a solo reader lost in a book, the support is intuitive. It's a rare thing for a piece of furniture to actively help reduce physical fatigue, but that is the promise here. The choice of fabric is equally intentional. Corduroy is a material with a history. It's rugged, tactile, and surprisingly sophisticated. On this sectional, the plush corduroy is wrinkle-resistant and soft to the touch, standing up to the messy reality of kids and pets while maintaining a look of practical luxury. It feels substantial without being delicate. You don't have to protect this couch. It is built to be used. What makes this piece truly remarkable, though, is its modularity. Because it is 16% lighter than traditional sectionals, it doesn't require a team of professionals to move. It can be reconfigured into a U-shape for a social gathering, an L-shape for a cozy corner, or even broken into separate seating areas if the room demands it. It navigates tight hallways and narrow doors with ease, making it the perfect companion for the frequent mover or the perpetual rearranger. This isn't just a place to sit. It's a centerpiece that respects the fact that your life today might look very different a year from now. It offers the softness of a cloud with the structural integrity of smart engineering. In the end, we don't need more things that complicate our lives. We need things that simplify them, that offer a soft place to land without asking for a day of labor in return. The Novilla Sectional is that rare find, a flexible, durable, and genuinely comfortable sanctuary that grows with you.